Alright? This is a week later, na-install na natin yung pinaka-important natin is yung ating Tiger Garage sticker. So after installation, this project is actually done. So welcome to Tiger Garage! This is a 2024 Land Cruiser Prado. It may not look like the new model. Actually, yung Prado ngayon, naging mukha na siyang Land Cruiser. I don't know if you guys saw it, pero super layo ng itsura nito. Anyway, this is what we got. So, anong pinagawa ni client? Punta tayo sa harap, makikita nyo. Alright. In-install natin our very special VIP seats. As of now, sa alam ko kami lang yung nag-i-install ng VIP seats sa SUVs. I think meron na rin nag-i-install ng iba, pero bihira pa sa Prado, sa mga ganitong like smaller sizes SUVs. Most of the time is bigger SUVs. So what's special about these seats? Syempre, standard na sa atin yung automatic lahat. Nako-control natin yung mga all the controls automatically, and then meron tayong massage, meron tayong air-cooled seats, meron din tayong heated seats. Although we don't use heated seats here, pero nice to know na meron natin. So maliban na meron natin yan lahat, meron din tayong control sa screen. Siyempre, it's 2024 already, high-tech na tayo ngayon. Old school na raw yung pagko-control through the buttons. Kaya ngayon, in this set of seats, pwede din natin i-control to touchscreen. So we can control everything sa touchscreen, ayun, front and back. We can also control the lights. Ayan, binuksan natin yung lights. And then, we can also control the massage, the heating, the ventilation. Kompleto lahat ng functions sa screen na to. You can control the left side, you can also control the right side. And then of course, before ko man nakalimutan, meron din tayong compartment dito sa gitna. Pwede tayong maglagay ng stuffs in there, tissue and or other stuff. So maliban dito, meron din tayong compartment dito sa likod. You can put anything in here and then just close it up. It will be out of the way. Hindi na siya parang kalat-kalat yung mga gamit natin dito. Oh, and also, pinalitan din natin yung floor mat ng buong car. Dinagdagan natin ng ating leather floor mats. So, kompleto na tong buong car. May floor mats na siya. And then, detachable pa siya for cleaning. Ayan. So, if you guys are interested in this item or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye!
Thank you.